Hello, my name is Vachel Hudson. I am the founder and owner of Reinvesting in Communities and Housing. I also help people get into home ownership and get into affordable housing as well as financial literacy. And I stumbled upon Viking contractors when I was trying to correct a hazardous problem with my roof here in my duplex. And I was able to meet one of their salesmen, and from there, we were able to get the process rolling, repairing our new roof. The problem that I was looking to solve was an algae issue on the roof, and my homeowners insurance company told me that I needed to get it corrected, otherwise I would have lost my coverage. So when I looked around for different contractors or roofer companies that would come and inspect it, I also reached out to some of my personal and social professional networks, inspectors and other folk who may have been able to find a referral or a resource for me to be able to tap into. However, Viking's contractors were available, were efficient, they were timely, were able to get out here in a timely manner and help me identify that issue. But while they were identifying that issue, we also came across a lot of hail damage. And that's what led me to going through my homeowner's insurance to do a complete roof replacement because of the inspection that Viking's contractors did. Working with Viking's contractors and their salesmen has been exceptionally an amazing experience, from consistent communication to efficiency with the work and just constant communication around other things and needs that I might have has been amazing and has exceeded my expectations. I would absolutely recommend those who are looking for a quality roof repair, inspection, or just a quality customer service experience to consider Viking's contractors. And if you're already considering them, don't think anymore. Just work with them. Just do it.